Alcohols. Introduction. Alcohol constitute a class of compounds which are regarded as hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. They are further classified as mono, di, and trihydric alcohols according as the number of hydroxyl group present in their molecules is 1, 2, or 3 respectively. Alcohol containing 4 or more hydroxyl group are known as polyhydric alcohol. Thus, we have monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, polyhydric. Aromatic hydroxy compounds fall into two categories. These are aromatic alcohols, phenols. Aromatic alcohols, these are compounds in which the hydroxyl group is present in the side chain. These may be regarded as alcohols in which OH group is attached to an aryl substituted alkyl radical. An important example of such compound is benzyl alcohol, phenols. These are compounds which contain hydroxyl group or groups directly attached to an aromatic ring. For example, phenol. The properties of phenol are markedly different from the properties of alcohol, and their chemistry is discussed in chapter 2. Monohydric alcohols. These are alcohols having the general formula ROH, where R may be simple or substituted alkyl group. Thus, we have methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, benzyl alcohol. Saturated monohydric alcohols are also known as alkanols, as these are derived from alkanes by the replacement of a hydrogen atom by a hydroxy group. Alkanols can be represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH, where n is the number of carbon atoms. Classification. Monohydric alcohols may be further classified as primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohol as given below. Primary alcohols like ethyl alcohol, secondary alcohols like isopropyl alcohol, tertiary alcohol like tertiary butyl alcohol. Nomenclature. Monohydric alcohol, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and propyl alcohol. IUPAC system. Ethanol, butane, vanol. Like CH3OH, common name is methyl alcohol and IUPAC name is methanol. Monohydric alcohol exhibits three types of isomerism. First is chain isomerism, like butane vanol to methyl propane vanol. Position isomerism. Butane vanol, butane 2-ol. Functional isomerism. Ethanol with oxymethane. Method of formation. By reduction of aldehydes and ketones. By catalytic hydrogenation. By reduction with complex metal hydrates. By Mirwin-Pondorf-Verley reduction, in which ketone plus isopropyl alcohol react in the presence of aluminum isopropoxide. Secondary alcohol plus acetone is formed. Reduction of carboxylic acids. Primary alcohols can be obtained by the reduction of carboxylic acids by lithium aluminum hydride does not NaBH4 does not reduce carboxylic acids. In these reactions, the carboxyl part of carboxylic group is reduced to CH2 group. For example, butyric acid, 1-butanol. Mechanism. The reduction takes place through the formation of intermediate alkoxide which yields at alcohol on hydrolysis. This method is generally employed for the preparation of alcohol from acids which are readily available from natural sources. Carboxylic acids can also be reduced rapidly to primary alcohols by the action of diborane. Reduction of esters. Reduction of esters constitute of a convenient method of preparation of alcohols. The reduction is generally carried out by the following method. By Beau-Vallot blank reduction. This method involves the reduction of esters to alcohols by treatment with sodium in alcohol. The reaction leads to the formation of mixture of two alcohols on which it is formed from the alkoxy group, and the second which is formed from the RCH2OH group. For example, ethyl propanoate react in the presence of NaCH2H5OH, 1-propanol plus ethanol form. Mechanism. The reaction is believed to take place in number of steps and involves the transfer of one electron at a time from sodium metal as summed up ahead. Reduction with LiAlH4. Ester can also be reduced with LiAlH4 to yield a mixture of two alcohols. For example, ethyl butyrate react in the presence of LiAlH4 ether or H3O positive, 1-butanol plus ethanol is formed. Mechanism. The reaction takes place by the addition of hydride ion to the carbonyl part of ester group. This is followed by elimination of alkoxide ion to yield an aldehyde intermediate which not isolated. Further reaction of LiLS4 with aldehyde gives primary alcohol. Catalytic hydrogenation. On an industrial scale, alcohol are obtained from esters by catalytic hydrogenation in the presence of copper chromite catalyst. For example, CS3CS2 COC2H5 plus 2H2. React in the presence of copper chromite. CS3CS2 CH2OH plus C2H5OH is the product. Fourth is hydration of alkenes. Alkenes can be hydrated to form alcohols either through addition of sulfuric acid or by direct hydration as described below. First is addition of sulfuric acid followed by hydrolysis. Alkenes react with the cold concentrated H2SO4 in form alkyl hydrogen sulfates ROCO2OH. Alkyl hydrogen sulfates are easily hydrolyzed by heating with water to form alcohols. Alkene plus sulfuric acid give alkyl hydrogen sulfate plus alcohol. For example, ethylene plus H2SO4 gives ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate react in the presence of H2 and heat and give ethyl alcohol. In a case of unsymmetrical alkene, addition of sulfuric acid takes place according to Marconi rule by direct hydration. The more reactive alkenes directly add on water in the presence of acid such as sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid to yield alcohol in accordance with Marconi's rule. Alkene plus H2O in the presence of H positive give alcohol. For example, 2-methyl propene plus H2O react in the presence of H positive tetrabutyl alcohol is formed. Oxymercutation, demercutation of alkenes. It is a very convenient two-step method for preparing alcohols from alkenes. When treated with mercuric acetate in a water tetrahydrofuran solution, alkenes from organic mercurial compounds. These mercury compounds are reduced by sodium borohydride to yield alcohol, that is alkene plus H2O plus mercuric acetate react in the presence of oxymercutation. Organic mercurial compound is formed. Both the steps take place very rapidly and conveniently at room temperature. The organic mercurial compound formed in the first step is not isolated but is reduced by C2O by sodium borohydride to form alcohol in a yield. Oxymercutation demercutation is highly radioselective and alcohol formed in accordance with Marconi of addition of water to the carbon-carbon double bond. Thus, the overall reaction may be summed up as follows: 2-methyl but1 in react in the presence of HgOAC2 THFH2O. 2-methyl butane will form. In writing these reactions, acetate group is often abbreviated as OAC. Hydroboration oxidation of alkenes. When treated with diborane BS3 twice, alkenes undergo hydroboration to form alkyl boranes. The alkyl boranes are readily oxidized by hydrogen peroxide alkaline solution to form alcohols. Thus, the net result of the reaction also is the addition of water alkenes to form alcohols. For example, ethylene plus BS3 twice to give ethyl borane. Ethyl borane gives dimethyl borane. Dimethyl borane gives trimethyl borane. The overall reaction may be represented as ethylene gives ethanol. Hydroboration oxidation is also a radioselective reaction, and the alcohol obtained is such as anti-Marconi addition of water to alkenes had taken place. As such, this method can be used for the preparation of alcohols which cannot be prepared by other method by hydration of alcohol. For example, propylene react in the presence of BS3 twice and H2O2 and OH negative. 1-propanol is formed. It may be noted that due to anti-Marconi addition, only primary and secondary alcohol can be prepared by this method. Next is Grignard synthesis. By far the most important method for the preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol is by the reaction between a Grignard reagent and a carbonyl compound such as an aldehyde or a ketone. The addition product initially formed is decomposed with water in the presence of acids such as HCl or H2SO4 to get the alcohols. The general reaction may be depicted as follows. If the carbonyl compound used in the above reaction is formaldehyde, the final product is primary alcohol. Formaldehyde react in the presence of diether, and next in the presence of H3O positive primary alcohol are formed. When the carbonyl compound used as is some aldehyde other than formaldehyde, the final product is secondary alcohol. Next is use of a ketone to react with Grignard reagent leads to the ultimate formation of tertiary alcohol. For example, acetone gives ters-butyl alcohol. It may be noted that in the whole reaction, the number of carbon atoms in the alcohol obtained is equal to the sum of carbon atoms in the aldehyde or ketone at Grignard reagent by the hydrolysis of alkyl halides. The hydrolysis of alkyl halides with an aqueous solution of sodium or potassium hydroxide or moist silver oxide results in the formation of alcohol. For example, ethyl bromide plus aqueous KOH, ethyl alcohol are formed by the hydrolysis of esters. The hydrolysis of esters with alkyl solution is generally employed for the preparation of alcohols from naturally occurring esters. Ester plus aqua NaOH gives sodium salt of acid by the fermentation of carbohydrates. This method has been used since very early time for the large-scale preparation of ethyl alcohol. The carbohydrate employed in this process is either sugar, used either in the form of molasses or obtained from some other source like grapes, beetroot, etc., or some starchy material like potatoes, barley, rice, or maize. The reaction taking place are summed below. From sugar, C12H22O11 plus H2O invertase gives glucose. The fermented liquor obtained by the above method is known as kvass and contains up to 80% ethyl alcohol. It can be concentrated by fractional distillation. Physical properties of alcohol. Due to the presence of OH group in their molecules, alcohol are polar compounds. Oxygen is more electronegative than either carbon or hydrogen, so that electrons of the CO as well as OH bonds are displaced towards the oxygen atom. Therefore, the oxygen atom carries partial negative charge while both carbon and hydrogen attached to oxygen carry partial positive charges. Moreover, like water, alcohol molecule has a band structure so that we may represent alcohol as. Because of their band structure and polar nature of CO and OH bond, alcohols possess a considerable dipole moment. The above structural features of alcohol have a strong influence on the physical and chemical properties of alcohol as discussed below. Physical state. The lower alcohols are colorless liquid having a distinct alcoholic smell and a burning taste. The higher members of are colorless, tasteless, waxy solids. Associated state hydrogen bonding. Since alcohol contain a hydrogen attached to strongly electronegative oxygen, extensive intermolecular hydrogen bonding exists between alcohol molecules. As a result, alcohol exists in the form of associated molecules and not simple monomeric molecules. Boiling points. The boiling points of alcohols are much higher than those of hydrocarbons or ethers of comparable molecular weights, as is evident from the following example. The high boiling points of alcohol can be explained in terms of extensive intermolecular hydrogen bonded in alcohols. Large amount of energy is required to break these hydrogen bonds which hold the alcohol molecules together in the associated state. Therefore, alcohols boil at much higher temperature than alkanes, ethers, etc., which do not form intermolecular hydrogen bonding amongst themselves. The boiling point of isomeric alcohols are in the order primary greater than secondary, secondary greater than tertiary. This is because out of isomeric alcohols, primary alcohols are most polar and form hydrogen bonds to the maximum extent as compared to secondary and tertiary alcohol. With the increase in molecular weight, the boiling point increases regularly. Next is solubility. The lower alcohols are highly soluble in water, but the solubility decreases with the increase in molecular weights. The high solubility of lower alcohol is due to the formation of hydrogen bonds between alcohol and water molecules. The rapid fall in the solubility of higher alcohols is due to the fact that with the increase in the molecular size, the non-polar hydrocarbon character of the molecules become more dominating as compared with the polar OH group. This leads to decrease in the extent of hydrogen bond formation with water and therefore the solubility in water decreases. For isomeric alcohols, the solubility increase with increase in branching. This is because of the reason that as the branching increases, the surface area of non-polar hydrocarbon part decreases. For isomeric alcohol, the solubility increases with increase in branching. This is because of the reason that the branching increases. The surface area of non-polar hydrocarbon particles decreases. The higher alcohol it may be noted are soluble in organic solvents. Density. Generally speaking, the density of alcohol is lesser than that of water, although increases with increase in molecular weight.